So anyway, that was my rant. I think it's a very serious topic because they are using that program basically to knock off people that are depressed. Like it's just crazy. Like, look at that. Look at this. Isn't that nice? That's a brook running through there. Anyway, back to the trail. But yeah, they're using that program just to, have an excuse to knock off people that can be treated with medication. Now, mind you, it's your choice if that's what you want, but a lot of people are not given many choices. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I guess we are traveling on. I'm trying to follow a trail here. This is the coop. We see some red. Don't go through there. This is the trail. It does say caution. I have no idea where we're going to come out at, but there's lots of water sources through this trail. That's one good thing. So yeah, if anybody has any comments and thinks it's a good idea to talk about this, it's I'd like to hear from you, because it is, chronic pain is one of the most, it's like one of the top 3